Good morning, Hong Kong. Welcome back to another episode of Hong Kong Insurance 101. Last week, we looked at how insurance in Hong Kong is sold. And this week, we're going to be discussing how Hong Kong insurance is regulated. This is an important topic as there have been significant developments in the regulatory structure of the Hong Kong insurance industry over the last year. And please bear with us because there will be more than a few acronyms and abbreviations in what we're going to discuss today. Let's start where we started last week and talk about underwriters. Underwriters are directly regulated by the Hong Kong Insurance Authority, also known as the IA. It is the IA who is responsible for overseeing the operations of underwriters, Lloyd syndicates and cover holders, as well as captive insurers. Now, these duties were formerly held by the Office of the Commissioner of Insurance, or OCI, with the IA taking charge in June 2017 in an aim to streamline the overall insurance regulatory system in Hong Kong. This is a key point, especially in regards to intermediaries. This is because the Office of the Commissioner of Insurance was solely responsible for regulating organizations which created insurance products sold in Hong Kong. Intermediaries, that is to say agents and brokers, were regulated by three self-regulatory organizations, or SROs. Agents were regulated by the Insurance Agents Regulation Board, set up by the Hong Kong Federation of Insurers, a professional non-regulatory organization which promoted underwriters' interests, while two SROs were responsible for regulating brokers, the Confederation of Insurance Brokers, or CIB, and the Professional Insurance Brokers Association, also known as PIBA. CCW was a member of PIBA. Now, this gets fairly confusing as two distinct organizations with independent regulatory methods were responsible for overseeing the activities of a single type of intermediary, that is to say, brokers. However, as of September 2019, all three SROs have been folded into the Insurance Authority, leaving a single regulatory body to look after all insurance activities in Hong Kong. This in turn fulfilled one of the primary goals of establishing the IA in the first place. Now, the IA is now responsible for issuing all rules, codes, and guidelines with regards to creating, producing, and selling insurance in Hong Kong, and is the only organization capable of processing and approving licenses to businesses which wish to participate in the Hong Kong insurance industry. The IA is also responsible for inspecting these businesses and imposing disciplinary sanctions on substantiated cases of malpractice. That's us for this week. We hope this has been helpful in understanding at least one aspect of the Hong Kong insurance industry. And please note that there will not be a video next week, but we'll be back again posting regularly in December. Have a great weekend, and don't forget to ask CCW. We're simplifying your insurance.